Scarcely had the demon cast his burning stare upon her. Scarcely had the demon cast his burning stare upon her, leaving his face entirely without symmetry, leaving his face entirely without form.
무덤가에서 공포소설을 읽으며 혼자만의 시간을 보내는 16살 소녀 메리 고드윈. 19세기 초 런던에서 태어난 메리는 자유로운 사상을 지닌 부모님의 영향을 받아 남들과는 조금 다른 시선을 가진 아이로 자라나죠.
She's looking for you.
Next time you run off to read ghost stories, take me with you.
Who says I was reading ghost stories?
It's thrilling, isn't it?
My heart was racing. I was so scared.
If I were you, I'd be more scared of your father catching you reading it.
I don't know how he vexes so. People liked his gothic novels.
Your father is in the bookshop working. Claire has been tending to the house. I have spent all hours going through the ledgers. Where were you today that you couldn't relieve your father for a few hours?
I completed my work for today. Just went out for some fresh air.
I know where you were. Look who has returned, my dear.
I just went out for a walk.
Glad to see you devoting yourself to these great works, Mary. To love reading is to have everything within your reach.
어머니의 죽음에 이어 새어머니와 갈등을 겪으며 일찍이 고독에 익숙해진 탓에 그를 통해 현실에서 벗어나려 했었던 메리.
Where are you? No one watching the shop? And you back here scribbling away like a child? Let's see what's so important that it's kept you from your work, shall we?
It's just private.
What thoughts haunt the daughter of these esteemed writers? Let go!
Mary.
She pushed me. Did you not see her
I
push
didn't do
me?
anything.
You all right?
I can't live with someone like this. There's not a grain of respect in her.
I didn't do anything.
It's enough.
새어머니와의 계속된 마찰로 메리는 스코틀랜드의 먼 친척집으로 보내지게 되는데
I'm sending you away because I love you, Mary. And because I sincerely hope that you'll find the refuge that you need there.
Mary! Welcome. Oh, my God, you look so much like your mother. And thank the Lord, not a thing like your father. I'm William Baxter. This is my daughter, Isabel.
We'll do our best to keep you amused out here, Mary. It may not be as bustling as London, but I'm sure we can find some ways to pass the time.
메리는 또래인 이자벨과 자매처럼 지내며 이곳에서의 외로운 시간들을 채워갑니다.
I've thought of trying to summon my mother by seance. But she suffered so long with illness. What if she has finally found peace at last? Wouldn't it be cruel to disturb her?
이자벨 역시 메리와 같은 아픔을 가지고 있었는데요.
Would you ever consider trying to contact your mother?
Maybe she wouldn't want me to, given I was the one who killed her. She died just days after I was born.
Oh, Mary.
그러던 어느 날 한 모임에서 만난 매혹적인 시인 퍼시 셰이에게 메리는 마음을 빼앗기죠.
Isabel, who is that?
Oh, that's Shelley. Beautiful, isn't he? He's a radical poet who thinks poetry should reform society and so is often in trouble.
Sounds like quite a catch.
Come, let me introduce you to some friends.
Someone I would like you to meet.
Good luck.
Percy, may I present Mary?
Baxter,
Mary?
come and join us.
It's Coleridge. Mary, could you put these nameplates up, please? Speak it, that's clear.
I'm Percy Bysshe Shelley.
I'm Mary Wollstonecraft Godwin.
Of course. Baxter mentioned you'd be joining the family here. I am a great admirer of both your parents' work.
I hope I can entrust you to this task, Mr. Shelley. Or will you try to incite me to revolution?
My reputation precedes me.
두 사람의 대화는 자연스레 창작에 관한 이야기로 이어지고
Surely you are a writer yourself.
Not really. Nothing substantial. I hope to, someday.
And what, may I ask, would you constitute as substantial in your eyes?
Anything that curdles the blood and quickens the beatings of the heart.
Ah, perfect. Now, may I steal Mr. Shelley away? We would love a poem, sir.
Certainly, sir. Without an audience, ideas remain mere words on a page.
메리와의 만남을 통해 얻은 영감을 청중들 앞에서 시로 풀어내는 셸리.
So bright, so fair, so wild a shape hath ever yet beheld as that which rained the courses of the air and poured the magic of her gaze upon the maiden's sleep.
함께 시간을 보내며 시를 주고받는 사이 두 사람은 어느새 서로에게 물들어가죠.
Mingle are transfigured ever still, burning yet inconsumable.
행복한 시간도 잠시 고향집으로부터 다급한 서신이 도착하는데
I'm afraid I have some terrible news from London. It's your sister, Claire.
She's been like this for weeks.
하지만 이 모든 건 언니를 다시 불러오기 위한 클레어의 자작극이었죠.
Thank God! You're finally back!
So you're dying.
Only from boredom.
다시 런던으로 돌아온 메리는 새장 속에 갇힌 듯 답답한 시간을 보냅니다.
It seems my mother's latest reverie is a young protege for your father. We ought to be on our best behavior at dinner tonight to win him over. He's wealthy, evidently.
She's a woman of indomitable hope. I can't deny her that.
아버지의 새로운 제자는 놀랍게도 스코틀랜드에서 만났던 바로 그 셸리였죠.
Delighted.
My husband tells me you're a poet, Mr. Shelley. He speaks very highly of your work.
Well, I'm humbled by his praise, Mrs. Godwin. I must admit, though, my work is not yet widely known. Although I have just completed my second volume, which awaits publication.
Very impressive achievement for such a young man.
Any achievement of mine falls within the shadow of your influence, Mr. Godwin.
Flatter me.
Hope you will consider my proposal to take me on as your protege. I have a considerable allowance at my disposal and would gladly reimburse you for any time you might spare.
Well, I feel duty-bound to foster such ability.
Well, then that's settled.
그렇게 셸리는 문화생으로 이곳에 머물게 되는데
How are you here?
Does it seem so strange that I would seek out the tutelage of the great William Godwin? Clearly, I'm not only here to see your father.
Then why are you here?
To once again feel the curdling of my blood and the quickening of the beatings of my heart.
Mary? Mr. Shelley?
I will be with him momentarily. I'm quite enjoying the collection.
So I see.
이후 가족들의 눈을 피해 은밀한 만남을 갖는 두 사람.
I come here whenever I can. Just to feel her embrace. I don't know what it is I'm waiting for here.
Maybe you're just waiting for someone to reach out and return your embrace.
I thought we would never escape the rain.
I think I'd rather suffer the deluge outside.
서로에게 끌린 두 사람은 금세 사랑에 빠지고 그 행복은 영원히 끝나지 않을 것만 같았죠.
Oh, give it to me! Give it to me! Please, Mary! Mary!
The sunlight clasped the earth, and the moonbeams kissed the sea.
Miss Godwin,
Yes,
I am Mrs. Shelley. Harriet Shelley.
셸리는 이미 결혼한 상태였고 두 사람 사이엔 아이까지 있었습니다.
Did you know I ran away with Percy when I was a girl? Idealism and love give us courage. But they do not prepare you for the sacrifice required to love a man like Percy.
상상조차 못한 아내의 등장으로 두 사람의 관계에 어두운 그림자가 드리우는데
how could you not speak of Harriet? And Dianthe?
My marriage was a mistake. I believed that I'd found in Harriet a kindred spirit. But time revealed only an empty, heartless cynicism that consumed the both of us in a spiral of hate and anguish. But when I met you, for the first time since my marriage, I felt alive. And had you known I was married, propriety would have gotten the better of you.
Propriety has never been a concern of
I
mine.
promise you it can be very easy to say that, but it can be very different to live it. Which is what I'm challenging you to do now.
You challenge me to what?
To do what your heart is telling you to do. And to come away with me. Let us both find new air to fill our lungs. A new sun to warm our faces. See, a new life that is actually worth the living together.
메리는 자신의 마음을 다잡으려 애써보지만 결국 셸리에 대한 강한 끌림을 떨쳐내지 못하죠.
What do you mean? But you're already married.
We love each other. We don't need to be married.
I told you your warped ideals would come back to haunt us.
Mrs. Godwin, please.
We are only living by your beliefs.
What do you know
Your
of living your
principles.
beliefs?
You had no problem with my mother wanting to live out of
You
wedlock.
really think you can withstand the consequences of this? If you ever see Mr. Shelley again, prepare to lose the love of a father forever.
하지만 아버지의 완강한 반대에도 불구하고 메리는 셸리와의 사랑을 택합니다.
Mary. Don't look back, Mary. Remember, once you are gone, none of this or any of these people will matter at all. But please, Mary, take me with you. You promise next time we will go together.
자유와 사랑은 너무나 달콤했으나 두 사람은 결국 그 대가를 치러야 했죠.
My father has cut me off. He says I've disgraced his name because of the scandal that surrounds us. So now you know.
그로부터 얼마 후 메리는 우연히 길거리에서 아버지와 마주치는데
Father! It's been weeks. You're selling it.
Yes. There comes a time when we all have to let go of the things we hold dear. It's your decision, Mary. and you must live with it. He claims to love humanity, yet forsakes his child. I wish nothing more than that you should thrive. But look at you.
No, I didn't. I had the claw marks to prove it. And
What's going on?
I remember the debt unpaid. I know how much you love science, Mary. Watch this. Whoa!
This is incredible.
And this is for you.
Shelley. You shouldn't have spent money on dresses.
Don't be silly, Mary. It's beautiful.
That is not all. Tomorrow we move to our new house in Bloomsbury. The servants will meet us there.
Servants!
Because how can we write if we are forced to tend to such domestic mundanities? Is the shopping and cleaning.
You make everything seem possible.
그렇게 여유를 되찾은 그들은 다시금 평온한 행복을 맞이합니다.
My love, I have news.
Oh, my Mary. Hey, a baby. She will be our very own prodigy.
Hi, Auntie. Come here. Good girl.
그날 밤 방에 누군가 있다며 다급히 두 사람을 찾는 클레어.
Someone, did you see him?
No. Wait.
No one, nothing.
It's one of your nightmares, Claire. I will sit with her.
No, no. I will take you to bed. You need to rest. Think of the baby. Claire, come on.
Absolutely no clue.
I can't tell if you're telling the truth or not.
I am telling the truth.
Who's paying for it? I'm paying for it.
Yeah.
You're going to ruin me, Claire Claremont. You're going to ruin me.
What's all this for?
Oh, there you are. Guess what? Tonight, we are having a dinner party.
Come here. Don't we deserve a little fun?
Did the publisher's advance come in?
I've borrowed against my father's estate.
Percy, there's no way we can afford to pay it back.
Come on. Come here.
I'm sorry it's not much of a celebration, Mr. Hawke. It appears we're even more scandalous than we realized.
Don't trouble yourself, Mary. Shelley and I have a long history of courting trouble. We began writing a novel together back at Oxford, but the publishers deemed it too subversive.
I'm beginning to suspect you have a penchant for being anonymous.
What's the point of being published if you don't have your name on it? Why bother?
I assume you also write.
It's not anything like my parents.
Soon, Mary will produce a work that will surpass all of us.
다음 날
Ma'am, Mr. Hogg is here to see you.
Mr. Hogg?
약속도 없이 불쑥 찾아온 그는 당황스러울 만큼 무례한 태도를 보이죠.
I cannot believe you fired the servant with that, Shelley. Mary? What's wrong? Is it the baby?
Claire, could you please leave us?
메리는 마음을 가다듬고 모든 사실을 털어놓는데
You made an advance, but I didn't.
Not comply.
Of course not. I would never.
하지만 셸리는 전혀 예상치 못한 반응을 보입니다.
I have no quarrel with you and Thomas becoming lovers. Isn't this what we believe in? Unconventional approaches to living. After all, why should we not have such an arrangement? I do not own you. You are free to be with whomever you please.
Oh, but I don't want to be with anyone else.
Don't you believe that love is free?
Yes. Free to be with one
That
person.
is poor logic, Mary. Your choice means nothing to me. What disappoints me is that you wouldn't even consider it.
철학적 급진주의자였던 셸리는 사랑은 소유가 아닌 해방이라는 믿음 아래 많은 이들에게 상처를 남겼죠.
Do you wish to be with someone else?
I merely suggest that you do not offer me the same freedoms I offer you.
And you are nothing close to the man that I thought you were. Wanting for my happily ever after, I lowered my defenses, forgetting the first lesson I was taught, that I was brought into this world to be abandoned, that I am irrevocably alone.
I have always lived this way. To a fault. And I thought this was something we both believed in. An ideal we shared. But had I truly considered it, had I let myself fully understand what I was doing, I would never let anything come between us. I have a surprise for you. We're going out.
특별한 공연을 관람하기 위해 함께 나서는 세 사람.
Thanks to scientific discovery, mankind is on the cusp of conquering mortality. Using this frog and an electrical current. Ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce you to the process of galvanism.
Is that really possible? That the dead could come back to life?
There is every possibility that it's brought you back to life.
얼마 후 메리는 아기를 낳고 엄마로서의 행복에 온전히 빠져 있었지만
We must leave at once.
What do you mean? What has happened?
Creditors are coming.
Percy, Clara's not well.
Mary, we do not have time to discuss this.
It's raining outside. We can't take her. The doctor said she must keep warm.
We have no choice. Claire, are you ready?
세찬 비를 맞으며 빚쟁이를 피해 도망치던 메리는 끝내 가장 소중한 존재를 잃고 말죠. 슬픔의 시간을 보내던 그때 클레어가 연인이 생겼다며 그의 저택에 함께 머물자 제안하는데
Do you think you are the only one who can attract a poet?
No, Claire. In fact, I am very aware of your abilities.
But we have to go. I am pregnant.
Who's the father?
Mary, it is Byron's. Of course.
몸과 마음이 지쳐있던 메리는 동생을 따라 바이런 경의 저택이 위치한 스위스 제네바로 향하죠.
My lord, it is an honor. And may I introduce Miss Mary Wollstonecraft Godwin?
Miss Godwin, forgive me, but there is a smile hidden inside of you. I can see it. And it is beautiful and brutal. And I hope that before long I can coax it outside of you.
Oh, this infernal copying! Bored of it.
즐거운 시간이 될 거라 기대했던 것과 달리 폭풍으로 인해 실내에 갇히게 되고
I have an idea. We are, each one of us, to write a story. A ghost story. It's a competition, of course. Whoever writes the finest story shall win. Miss Claremont. Your job is to transcribe them.
How dare you? What right do you have to treat me like this? Your lover?
Claire. You are not my lover. You are a dalliance. A lapse in judgment. A silly little girl. I'm sorry, have I caused a scene?
Don't let such cruelty wound you. You're stronger than you realize. You don't need anything from them. You don't need anything from them.
다시 집으로 돌아온 메리는 제네바에서 언급됐던 공포소설을 집필하는 데 열중하죠.
Remember that I am thy creature. I ought to be thy Adam, but I am rather the fallen angel.
그녀는 그간의 경험과 감정들을 글에 녹여내며 어머니의 죽음부터 아이를 잃은 상실감과 사회적 소외, 그리고 인간의 창조와 책임에 대한 질문까지 자신의 작품에 고스란히 투영합니다.
Misery made me a fiend. Make me happy, and I shall again be virtuous. But soon, he cried, I shall die, and what I now feel be no longer felt. Soon, these burning miseries will be extinct. I shall ascend my funeral pyre triumphantly and exult in the agony of the torturing flames. My spirit will sleep in peace, or if it thinks, it will not surely think thus. Farewell.
You are how old, Miss Godwin?
I am 18.
That really is quite young. Companion of Mr. Shelley.
Are you suggesting the work belongs to Mr. Shelley?
Perhaps there are some other writings of yours that I could compare it to.
It is my story. Did you ask this of Mr. Shelley when he first presented his work to you? And you dare to question a woman's ability to experience loss, death, betrayal, all of which is present in this story, in my story. Which you would have realized if you had employed the time judging the work instead of judging me. Did you finish it?
Yes. It chilled me to the bone.
It's good to enjoy a ghost story now and then.
We both know this is no ghost story. I've never read such a perfect encapsulation of what it feels to be abandoned. I seethed with your monster's rage. I lusted for his revenge. Because it was my own.
하지만 세상의 편견은 그녀가 넘기엔 너무나도 높은 벽이었죠.
You regret to inform me.
We shall not be published. Truth is, questions will be asked. You have nowhere else to go with your story.
결국 그녀는 현실과 타협할 수밖에 없었는데
The Lackington Group will publish it. 500 copies will be printed. It will be published anonymously, provided you write the introduction.
Of course. I'd be delighted.
So everyone will think you wrote it.
Provided it's published, what does it matter?
What does it matter? How is it possible that you still don't understand? You want me to abandon my claim to it because my gender might spoil its
I never
success.
said that.
You don't have to. Not once do you ever think about the consequences of your actions.
You bear just as much responsibility for our life as I. I'm not some grand architect of our misery, Mary.
You bear the responsibility. I bear the responsibility of ever believing in you.
프랑켄슈타인은 출간과 동시에 큰 성공을 거두며 문학사에 한 획을 긋지만 그 영광의 자리에 메리의 이름은 없었습니다.
And if only Frankenstein had been able to bestow upon his creation a compassionate touch, a kind word, what a tragedy might have been avoided. But it is a credit to the writer that it is these very thoughts that continue to run through our minds long after we've turned the final page of this book, which I know you all agree is one of the most complete and certainly one of the most original publications of our age. As
Thank you. Thank you. I know many of you wonder who could have written this horrific tale and why was it published anonymously. I see some of you suggest that the work belongs to me. Indeed, you could say that the work would not even exist without my contribution. But to my shame, the only claim I remotely have to this work is inspiring the desperate loneliness that defines Frankenstein's creature. The author of Frankenstein, or A Modern Prometheus, is, of course, Mary Wollstonecraft Godwin. It is a work of singular genius, and she is indebted to no one in its creation.
조금은 늦었지만 진실이 밝혀지며 메리는 자신의 존재를 세상에 알릴 수 있었죠.
But I underestimated the depths of despair and the weight of regret we were to endure.
Learned to fight through the anguish. I would not have found this voice again.
My choice has made me who I am.